In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to add a meeting directly on your calendar, save it, and enhance it with the details that keep everyone aligned. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. On the login page, choose Continue with Google. This is the quickest way to sign in if your workspace uses Google authentication. When prompted, select your Google account to proceed. After a moment, you'll land inside your ClickUp workspace. Next, head to the Calendar view. You can find it in the View options for your space, folder, or list. If you have multiple views, look for Calendar alongside List or Board. This view is perfect for scheduling because it places tasks by date so you can see everything at a glance. Navigate to the day you want to schedule the meeting. Use the arrows to move between weeks or months if needed. On the correct date, click the plus icon in that day's slot. This opens a quick create window so you can add your meeting without leaving the calendar. Type the name of your meeting. A clear, consistent title makes it easier to find later. Consider including the team, topic, or a date, like Marketing Sync Q1 Planning, so it's instantly recognizable. Click Save. ClickUp will create a task on that date. Depending on your calendar settings, it may include a default start time, but you can always fine-tune that afterward. Now click the task you just created to open its full details. This is where you can shape the meeting so it's actionable, add subtasks for agenda sections, or create a checklist for talking points, pre-reads, and follow-ups. This keeps the meeting structured and turns discussion items into trackable work. Add meeting attendees so everyone knows they're included. In ClickUp, assign the task to the relevant teammates or add them as watchers if they just need visibility. This ensures attendees get notifications and can review the agenda ahead of time. Finally, track time or add time directly on the meeting task. You can start a timer when the meeting begins or log time manually afterward. Tracking time helps with billing, capacity planning, and understanding how much effort recurring meetings take. That's it. You opened ClickUp, signed in with Google, switched to Calendar View, created a meeting on the right date, named it, saved it, opened the task to add structure, invited attendees, and set up time tracking. Follow these steps each time you plan a meeting, and your calendar and action items will stay tightly aligned.